Yes, viewers, in today's video, let us try to see how greens have brought me a market of my eggs. So guys, this egg you are seeing, I'm very sure that you know it better, that people, when they are taking eggs, they usually consider this color you're seeing. This color is yellow. So the yolk should be yellow. So when you are trying to find a market for your eggs, and then you find that inside the yolk is white, it means that your eggs won't be bought. So guys, in today's video, I want to encourage you that these greens you're seeing have tried to give me a market for my eggs, whereby I don't move from here to the other side to the other market looking for the market. These greens you're seeing, so guys, if you have a look at them, you will see that these are leaves of yams, and then I usually use weeds. So, but also these leaves can work. So guys, when you are trying to give greens to your hens, it means that when they are laying eggs, the yolk automatically must be yellow. So guys, I encourage you that always give greens to your hens. By the way guys, do you know that I have made all farmers in our area not to have a market? I have made sure that they don't have a market for their eggs anymore. Why? Guys, I didn't do that. Maybe I'm jealous. No, I just do it just to have a market, my market for my eggs, and then to have my hens to be okay, to be healthy, to have each and every food value in their body. So guys, if you don't want to waste your time moving here and there, that you are trying to look for the market of your eggs, try to use this method. I'm very sure each and everybody can get these greens you're seeing, because they are very cheap. You can just move to your banana plantation, you just cut. Where you cut, as time goes on, it can grow again. You can go in your banana plantation and then you try to remove some weeds, and then you tie them. Then you bring them here, you tie as I have done. You hang them like this. Then guys, as I told you that my pigs, I gave them each and everything. I fed them on each and every type of food. By the time they were still young, by the time they had not yet blown up. So, which means these ones, I think if we try to see, you will see that hens are trying to just take leaves, and then they are trying to leave these things you're seeing, these ones with hard tissues. So, which means these ones, I will just cut them and get smaller cuttings, and then I take them and give them to my pigs. First, I remember the video I made where I told you that how I have tried to manage to cut costs on my farm. I told you that my pigs take everything. So these ones, I will take them and cut them. I can even put some salt, and then I give them to my pigs. So guys, in today's video, do not again fail to have your eggs sold. Do not. This is the method, and the cheap one, which you can manage without using money, without using what? The only method. So guys, when you are taking this, I think guys, you are seeing it. So, if somebody takes your eggs and then you find that he or she finds that your eggs, the yolk, your eggs contain the yolk with this color of yellow, you will never and never fail to get a market for your eggs. Guys, that's what I wanted you to know in this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. If this video has worked for you, you give a thumbs like, and guys, don't forget to share it. Try to give it to your friends so that they can also try to change the yolk from this color you're seeing at least to this one, which people enjoy most. Till next time, bye bye.